Today we'll be making a big batch of freezer breakfast sandwiches. For ingredients, we'll need 18 eggs, 18 sausage patties, 18 English muffins. I'll get 3 packages of 6 count, and 18 cheese slices or a block of cheese. For supplies, I'll get a large fry pan, a spatula to cook the eggs, tinfoil to wrap the sandwiches, and a cheese slicer if you're using a block of cheese. Out of convenience, I'll get pre-cooked sausages, but you could also cook your own. Here are 6 eggs that I'm frying in the pan, and they'll fit on top of each of those 6 sandwiches. And I'll do that 3 times to make the 18 eggs for the sandwiches. So I'll layer the sandwiches with eggs, cheese, and the sausage. I'll spread all the sandwiches to easily prepare them. Here I'm wrapping the sandwich with tin foil so it doesn't get freezer burnt in the freezer. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful. Like and subscribe for more recipe videos. Thanks.